This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on piano easily. We'll begin by identifying the main theme's memorable four-note opening, which is the foundation of the piece. Focus on mastering this simple melody with your right hand before adding complexity. Remember to practice at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to build accuracy and a strong rhythmic sense. Repetition of small sections, like 2 to 4 measures, is key to developing muscle memory and confidence. Proper hand positioning is crucial for comfortable playing. For the Halo theme, place your right hand with your thumb or finger number 1 on middle C. The core melody primarily utilizes just 4 notes, C, G, A, and F. Assigning specific fingers, like 1 for C, 5 for G, and so on, will improve your efficiency. Always maintain a relaxed wrist and a natural curve in your fingers to prevent tension and ensure smooth transitions between notes. Once your right hand is comfortable, it's time to introduce the left hand for a simple accompaniment. The left hand will primarily play single bass notes or very basic power chords, providing a foundational harmony. You'll often use the same root notes as the melody, such as C, G, A, and F, played an octave lower. The key is to coordinate both hands at a very slow pace, perhaps 40 beats per minute, ensuring each note aligns perfectly before increasing speed. Consistent practice is the most effective way to master the Halo theme. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice each day to build skill steadily. Incorporate a metronome into your routine, starting at a slow tempo, like 50 beats per minute, will significantly improve your timing and rhythmic precision. Recording your playing can offer valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas that need more attention. As your accuracy grows, gradually increase the tempo by 5 to 10 beats per minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.